Hi everyone, this is Abrar. I'm very happy to wish you all a great, prosperous Republic Day, India. So at this point of time, I wish to quote preamble and I wish to quote some tidbits about India. And may this country be prosperous, may this country be happiest, and may peace prevail in this beautiful country, India. So I'm going to quote from this book called Short Notes Society or Polity. The same thing which I will also will be giving the reference in the description. Let's have a go. First Cabinet of Free India, 1947. Jawaharlal Nehru was the first Prime Minister. He was also taking care external affairs, Commonwealth relations, scientific research. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Home Minister, Information and Broadcasting. Rajendra Prasad, Food and Agriculture. Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad, Education Minister. Dr. John, he was taking care railway and transport. R.K. Shanmugam, he was taking care finance. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, he was taking care law. And then Sardar Baldev Singh, he was taking care defense. And Rajkumari Amrit, she was taking care health. And Rafi Ahmad, he was taking care communication. And Shyam Prasad, industries and supplies. So some important facts about it. It says that the Constitution of India was formally enacted by the year 26 November 1949, and the Constitution of India came into effective on 26 January, that is this day, 1950. So they were in the initial, at present they were 444, at present 444 articles and 12 schedules or class or chapters. And then who are all the people were their primary part of that one, the list goes. The important community were Jawaharlal Nehru, Dr. Ambedkar, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Syed Sadaullah, K.M. Munshi, and so on. These were the main people were there who were part of this constitution. So basic provisions. In this basic provision, I am going to quote preamble of India. We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic and secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic, and politic liberty of thoughts, expression, belief, faith, worship, equality of status, of opportunity to promote among them all, fraternity, assuring dignity of the individual and the unity and the integrity of the nation. So some other important facts about this one. The idea of preamble was borrowed from Constitution of USA. The objective specified in the preamble contain the basic structure of the Constitution, and the basic structure cannot be amended. And it goes on. It says that the word socialist, secular were added by 42nd Amendment Act 1976. So there are so many other factors also as well. So once again, I wish you all a happy Republic Day. Jai Hind and have a nice day ahead.